Did you know you can now create the perfect soundtrack for your videos with just one click and start earning up to $4,000 per month? In today's video, I'll introduce you to a tool that can completely transform your video making process without requiring complex editing software. Watch this video carefully, as I'll walk you through Tempolor's new Resona feature that's a game changer for content creators. Tempolor's link is in the description. Don't forget to use it. So, what makes Resona truly remarkable is its ability to analyze your video or image and generate the perfect background music. That's right, with this feature, you can create music, download your video, and share it directly to social media, all in one place. Before diving into the Resona feature, let's understand what Tempolor is and how it works. Tempolor is an AI-powered tool designed to simplify and enhance your music and video creation needs. It comes packed with features that every video creator needs. Now, let me explain the Resona feature in detail. But first, let's go over the other exciting features Tempolor has to offer. Feature 1. AI-powered search. Tempolor's search functionality is built to save your time and deliver accurate results effortlessly. By simply typing a prompt or uploading an image, audio, or video, you can search for the perfect music in seconds. The tool's extensive library features over 200,000 royalty music in their library. No more manual searching. Just type a few keywords, and you'll have the ideal soundtrack in moments. This process eliminates the hassle of manual filtering, allowing for more precise matching to content creators' needs, saving time and greatly improving efficiency. For instance, imagine you've shot a food video. Type something like romantic kitchen vibes, and Tempolor will fetch the best-suited background music for you. Feature 2. Video music integration. Now, let's talk about a feature that makes Tempolor stand out even more. If you have a video, simply upload it, and AI will instantly suggest the perfect music for your content. Tempolor analyzes the elements in your video and selects music that aligns with its mood and tone. Users can instantly preview the result of the video combined with the music. This feature not only helps them visually assess the compatibility of the music and video, but also ensures a more accurate soundtrack, enhancing the emotional expression and overall impact of the video. For example, if your video features a serene sunset scene, this tool will suggest a soundtrack that beautifully complements the calm and emotional ambience of the sunset. Feature 3. Music imitation. This feature allows you to transform one piece of music into 4 different variations. Each variation captures a distinct style and emotion. Users can choose from 4 different styles and degrees of similarity, catering to various scenarios and emotional needs. This is especially useful for creators who want to add variety and creativity to their projects. Feature 4. Music generation. Tempolor's music generation feature comes in 2 modes. Number 1. Easy mode. Simply type a short natural language prompt, and the tool generates music for you. Number 2. Expert mode. Fine-tune your music by adjusting up to 8 parameters to create something uniquely tailored to your needs. Easy mode is ideal for quickly generating content, making it suitable for beginners or users who need fast results. Expert mode, on the other hand, caters to professional users who require greater detail and accuracy, enabling them to make in-depth adjustments based on specific needs. For example, if you're looking for a cool Gen Z vibe, just type that in easy mode, and your music is ready. For an ad film that needs precise musical elements, use the expert mode to customize every parameter. Now, let's dive into the Resona feature, the most significant part of this video. The goal of Resona is to create a complete audiovisual experience for your AI-generated videos. Just look at these example videos from Resona. Here's how the Resona works. You can upload AI-generated videos, ranging from 5 to 50 seconds, such as those from Sora, Runway, and Kling, on the Resona page. The AI will analyze the content and provide 2 music direction options, offering a total of 18 background tracks to choose from. The standout feature of Resona is that after selecting, you can choose the appropriate soundtrack. Users can directly download the video with music and share it on social media. Unlike traditional video music search methods, this feature directly matches music to the user's video, eliminating the need for video editing software. It solves the issue of missing audio in AI-generated videos, making it easier for creators to achieve a complete audiovisual experience. So, all these features make it easier to experiment and push the boundaries of creativity. Let's talk about pricing and discount offers. Using Tempolor's features is both simple and budget-friendly. You can get the Pro account with a 60% discount and create up to 3,000 tracks every month. You can also use a free account to download videos, but they'll include a watermark. watermark. With a pro account, there are no limitations, and you get full access to Resona's potential. So here's the big question: how can you make money using Tempolor? You can earn money by creating musics and soundtracks for clients. Offer your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Also, collaborate with video creators and brands, charging anywhere between $300 to $500 per project. With the growing demand for high-quality video content, there's a huge opportunity to build a profitable business using this tool. Every creator needs Tempolor because it is designed to make your work easier and more quality-focused. Whether you're a video creator or a brand manager, this tool is a game changer. Imagine saving hours of time while creating a professional video that stands out in today's competitive market. It's not just a tool, it's a complete solution for your music and video needs. My final thoughts and recommendations for Tempolor is that it's not just a tool, an essential partner for anyone looking to create impactful videos. Its intuitive interface, advanced AI capabilities, and affordable pricing make it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. So, whether you're creating YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or full-length advertisements, Tempolor's Resona feature will elevate your content to new heights. So, what are you waiting for? Visit Tempolor today, try out the Resona feature, and give your videos the professional touch they deserve. Additionally, if you use Tempolor's link in our description, you'll get an extra 20% discount on pro plans. Don't miss it.